Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is September 10, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. In today's segment, we'll take a look at stocks with a heavy short ratio and see how to benefit from it. So with that, let's jump in and take a look at the market. Look, from a market perspective, we got here S&P 500. Look, S&P 500 is generally in a downward direction. As you can see here, it's making lower lows. As you can see here, the trend is down, as you can see here. And look, from a channel perspective, it's channeling down. And this is mainly because we got Feds trying to raise the rates. That's what's going on here. Look, market is trying to go up and comes back down, tries to go up slightly, comes back down. As you can see here, uptrends are a little bit shorter and downtrends are a little bit longer. And if we had one big uptrend here, but followed by downtrend, as you can see here, I see this pattern will continue, and we'll make this sideways movement for a long time, mainly because Fed is not our friend anymore. So as you can see here, look, we got nice resistance level right here. It can try to reach the resistance level, then it will come back down again. And Feds are meeting sometimes in September 2021, and they might be increasing rates by 75 basis points. That will knock down the stocks again. That's why you got to be careful. Don't think market is going to go up. Instead, wait for market to come down and then buy. And as market go up like this, it's okay to take some buy some puts. So that way, as you buy put, when the market comes down, you can make some money that way also. So this is S&P 500. Nasdaq is something similar. Look at the Nasdaq here. Same trajectory here. It's generally on a downtrend, as you can see here, and it's trying to make a small move here. And look, resistance level is right here. It might come back up to the resistance level, then it can get knocked down again. And same story, we got Bitcoin again, a little bit weaker, as you can see here. Bitcoin is also trending down, as you can see here, and trying to make a small uptick, as you can see here. On the contrary here, US dollar index is doing great. Look, US dollar has been doing great all 2022. It's on an upward trajectory. That's one of the reason market is coming down as dollar strengthens. Many of these big multinational companies have got trouble showing the profits, because it's difficult to show profits when the dollar is stronger. And then we got here Russell 2000. And Russell 2000 is also, as you can see here, it's on a downward trajectory, same like other indices here, trying to make a small move. And we got to be careful here. It will also go up and gets knocked down as it hits the resistance level. And you got Dow 30 here, same story. Look, it's again in the downward trajectory, as you can see here, and you can see it might come up right here, get knocked down again. That's why this is a very good market for option trader. You got to play both ways. Don't just play long side because you get knocked down. As you can see here, you should play long side as well as short side. As market goes higher, you got to buy some put options, and that will make you a little bit sane, and you can make some money as the market falls down. All right, so now let's jump in and look at stocks with very high short ratio. Look, we got here a list of stocks with very high short ratio, and as you can see here, we got short ratio right here. Look, all these stocks have got very high short ratio here, starting with ESTE at the top here. And ESTE, as you can see here, RSI is getting a little bit weaker, as you see, but not too much weaker. And look, institutions are buying ESTE, 20% institutional buying. That's a good sign here. Insiders are selling, but not too much. And this company has got nice sales growth, both yearly and quarter over quarter, good gross margin as well as good net margin. And as you scan through here, very high short ratio, as you can see here, float is very low. That's why this could be a good one to buy. And still RSI is in the range. It has not gone too much high. So that's why you could take a look at ESTE. good one to take a look at this one and go from there. And as you look through here, we got a few more here. We got Bed Bath and Beyond. Look, Bed Bath and Beyond, we got stock at $8.93. And from an RSI perspective, look, it's getting weaker. Both insiders and institutions are selling, as you can see here. That's not a good sign. And as you scan through here, as you go here, look, Bed Bath and Beyond is trying to go higher in 1 day and 5 day. That tells you it's trying to go higher. And look, even ESTE is trying to go higher, but ESTE, given it's got a profit margin, that could be better off here. But if you want to play BBBY here, look, it's RSI is in the middle of the range here. We could take some quick profit here, and as RSI reaches about 55.60, you could take some profit and go from there. And we got a few more here. We got SPWR, Sun Power, as many of you know here, a solar play, $28 stock. And this is, look, it's got a net margin negative, as you can see here. There is some good institutional buy for SPWR. Volume is okay, not great. It's 3 million shares traded, not too bad. Look at that RSI here. It's really getting stronger. RSI, 14-day RSI 70 and 7-day RSI 76. That tells you it's getting stronger. And as you look through here, we got IV rank also, and look what's going on here. SPWR, look, it's very strong here in 1 day, 5 day, and even 10 days. It's very strong, even 1 month. So this is too strong for me. I would be probably buying put options at these levels here, because it's hitting, it's going high. It's going high too quickly. That's why you could buy some put option here and get ready for a plunge or a quick profit taking as stock comes down slightly. And you got a few more here. You got Upstart, as you can see here. Upstart, look, it's insiders are selling, institutions are also selling. Not a great sign here. From a RSI perspective, look, it's getting strengthened. That tells you, as of now, Upstart could be a good one to buy here, because RSI perspective, it's getting strengthened. And as you see here, Upstart is net margin positive company. It's making money, as you can see here. And look, as you look through Upstart here, look, stock is going high. It's already had a nice move, as you can see here. 5-day 23%, 10-day 12%, and so on and so forth. Stock is actually, Upstart is right here. Upstart is also showing some move, but not as much as Sun Power. And we got a few more, as you see here. List goes on. Keep a note on institutional buy and insider buy. Look, we got here Beyond Meat. Look, institutions are buying Beyond Meat. And as you see here, this stock got clobbered here. Look, RSI perspective getting clobbered, as you can see here. Still very high short ratio, 34%. As you look through the stock here, Beyond Meat, look, from a stock perspective, it's showing some strength here, up 4%. At these levels, if you're a contrarian, you could buy some Beyond Meat, but for a swing trade, you got to be quick. And we got a few more here. We got Huron as well as HRTX here. Look, Sawa here. Sawa, look, it's got nice insider buying here. That's a good sign. And as you look through the RSI here, Sawa and HRTX here, look, from an RSI perspective, Sawa is getting stronger, and even HRTX is getting stronger. At these levels, I would be probably looking at shorting, or even buying some put options at the top slowly, and benefit from stock coming down here. And we got a few more here. Keep a watch on RSI. Also keep a watch on insider and institutional buying. So few stocks have got nice and high institutional buying here. Look, we got PMVP here. Nice institutional buying, but insiders are selling. That's not a great story here. And we got VERU here. VERU has got nice institutional buying, and so is Claire. But Claire has got insiders selling, not a good sign here. NKLA, on the other hand, look, it's got nice insider as well as institutional buying. and look, its RSI is getting strengthened slowly, so this could be a good one to buy at these levels here. As you look through NKLA here, look, let's look through here. NKLA, as you see here, it's getting stronger. This could be a good one to slowly buy here. And we got few more here. We got keep watch on insider and institutional buying. Look, we got GEVO. Looks like some of these EV stocks are getting stronger here. Look at the institutional buying in GEVO. Nice 52%. RSI is pretty constant here. 45 in 14-day RSI and 44 in 7-day RSI. Not a bad deal here. And the list goes on here. And also keep a watch on both the insider and institutional buying here. Look, we got Carvana, nice institutional and insider buying. That's a good story here. And and the list goes on. Even Marathon Digital here. Look, there's a nice insider and institutional buying that tells you this can also go higher. And we got a few more as you see here. Look, Luminar, nice insider buy as well as institutional buy. You could buy some Luminar. Again, nice and high short interest, 24% as you can see here. So with that, what we'll do now is we'll look at few stocks in the chart and go from there. Look, let's go into the chart view here and go into bar chart, which is a good site to really look at the list nicely. Look, the list of stocks here, all these stocks have got a high short ratio. It's sorted by stock at the top here. ESTE has got highest short ratio. As you scan through here, we got ESTE here. From a chart perspective, look, ESTE is getting stronger as you can see here. We got 20-day moving average. It's trying to go above 20-day moving average as we see here. And on the balance volume perspective, it's going higher. That tells you there are more buyers than sellers. That's a good sign here. RSI perspective, it's getting stronger. That's also good. Check in money flow perspective. Money flow is positive but not great, and volume is slightly getting better. Not a bad deal here. And look, this is a good one here. As you look through this here, if you click on here, more data, you could look at a few more data points here. Look, from a performance perspective, this stock has done pretty okay in 1 year, not great. Long term did not do very well. But as you look through the key statistics here, from a key statistics perspective, look, it's got a nice 5-year return, nice 3-year return, not too bad here. Stock has done well from a growth perspective, and even revenue growth is good. And as you look through here, we got a few more details here. We got a profile. It's in the oil, energy industry, as you can see here, developing oil and gas properties. So it looks like, at the high level stock is doing pretty good here. You could, because it's got positive gross margin, you could take a look at this stock here and buy it slowly. This can go higher. And then got Bed Bath and Beyond here. Look, Bed Bath and Beyond coming up here. Look, on the balance, stock itself is trying to go higher, as you can see here. Last few days, Bed Bath and Beyond is trying to go higher. On the balance, volume is slightly coming down, not too great, but on an average it's going higher. And RSI perspective is trying to go higher, as you can see here. Right now, check-in money flow is on the negative side here. It can turn corner as you go forward. Look, it was negative before, it went positive. And volume perspective, volume is not great. That's why this one is, you got to be careful here because RSI is low here. You could slowly buy. Given the stock is beaten down, you could have a bounce in BBBY here. All right, now we got Sun Power here. Sun Power, look, it's very strong here. Look at Sun Power. It's trying to go higher, as you can see here. At this time, you could think of it as a resistance level here. That's why stocks like Sun Power here, it's look, a stock is price wise, price is going higher, but look, volume is going lower. At these levels I would be buying some put option here and making some money as the stock comes down. That could be a good play here. I would not want to buy stock when the RSI is hitting high. Look what happened here. RSI went high, stock is kind of came down here. Something similar might happen. Look, RSI is going higher here. It might hit the ceiling and stock might come down. That's why for stocks like SPWR, stock is going higher. It's hitting its resistance level here. That's why it's good to buy some put option here, make some money that way. And we got Upstart here. Upstart is again a good stock, but look what's going on here. Stock is not doing stock is not doing great from a channel perspective. Stock is kind of stuck in the mud, as you can see here, but showing some strength slowly. And on the balance, volume is trying to go higher slowly, and RSI is also trying to go higher slowly. Check-in money flow is turning the corner, as you can see here, very slowly, and volume is pretty constant. So at these levels, if you're a long-term buyer, you could buy some Upstart here, and make some money. Understand it's a speculative play, mainly because look, stock is not doing much here, showing some sideways or downtrend, as you can see here. Then we got EVGO here. Look, EVGO from a stock perspective looks like this one is trending higher. Look, it's trying to go higher. On the balance, volume also good. RSI perspective trying to go higher. And look, check-in money flow is also showing some strength. It might go into the positive side here. And look, volume is also pretty good here. At these levels, you could buy some EVGO here. Very low price stock, as you can see here. And then we got a few more here. Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is stock is not doing great. Look what's going on here. Stock is in a downtrend after the last earning. Look, its stock is a downtrend. Now it's trying to show some strength, as you can see here. On the balance, volume is trying to go higher. RSI perspective, it hit the bottom, trying to go higher. And look, from a check-in money flow perspective, also trying to show some positive strength here, trying to go higher. So that's why this could be a good one here. Look, it's not made money for investors in the long run, but at this time, given there is a high short ratio, stock is trying to turn the corner. You can be a speculative buyer here. And we got a few more, as you can see here. And look, we got HRTX here on therapeutics. Look, stock is doing great here, so you got to be careful with these type of names here. Look, it's got a resistance level here, as stock is doing great. Look at the RSI perspective, it's 64. So at these levels, I would not be a buyer. Instead, I might look at the short side of the doing the shorting here at these levels here. And then you got Cassava, same story. Stock is getting strengthened. Look, Cassava is doing great, but at these levels, I might look at not buying, but instead shorting or buying some put options. So list goes on here. As you go back here, this is the complete list, as you see here. Starting with ESTE with a very high short ratio, as you can see here. And list goes on. We got a lot of stocks with nice and high short ratio here. As usual, keep a watch on insider and institutional buying here. Like Carvana has got a nice insider buy, as you see here. Marathon is great. We got LAZR, nice institutional buy. And as you scan through here, we got Riot Blockchain. Looks like all these cryptocurrency stocks now they're trying to come back here. So it could be good to buy some crypto stocks like Marathon, like Riot Blockchain at these levels here. Like look, Fate Therapeutics, nice institutional buy. That's a good one. REI, nice institutional buy. And look, high short ratio on this one also, as you can see here. And then you got a few more. Tellurian, natural gas play here, nice institutional buy. Institutions are hoping this stock will go higher. This is a good one. You could buy some Tellurian here. Look, RSI is increasing between 14-day and 7-day. That tells you it's getting stronger. And we got few more here. Look, INO, nice and high institutional buy. Got DNA, nice institutional buy here. HYZN, and so on and so forth. Look, Asana stock is going higher. Look at that insider buy. CEO is buying left and right. Stock went up. As you see here, Asana, look, it's getting stronger here. At these levels, I will be slowly exiting out versus buying at these levels here. And look, we got HCP, HashiCorp. Look at that, both strong insider buy and institutional buy. Stock is still not doing great. RSI perspective is still lower, 38, and 7-day RSI 35. Could be good to buy HashiCorp at these levels here. And we got a few more here. Pure Cycle, nice institutional buy, insider buy. Stock is getting stronger. I would not buy at these levels here. All right, so with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.